Want to know how to disable or enable profile visibility to your public? So if you want to make your profile private or public, this video is for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do it easily, which is enabling your profile publicity or availability to other users or hirers. So let's get straight to it. First things first, just simply open up your guru.com website. So we have also created similar videos regarding guru.com, which is on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So once everything is done, you should be on the dashboard by default once you have logged in. Now since we are enabling or disabling our profile availability, on the top right side you should be seeing your profile right here, the symbols like that. And now you can just simply see edit profile right here, the symbols like it. And now once you've edit profile, here you should be seeing various options popping up for you. And now you can just simply enable it by selecting this enabling icon right here. So you can just simply do it. So make sure you also fill and publish at least one service or just complete a profile to enable it. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us from all these videos. See you in the next one.